Hey, let's talk about the most wonderful, stressful, but potentially massive money-making time of the year in your salon or clinic. Christmas. How'd you guess? More precisely, the 6-week run-up to Christmas. Because here's the truth. Up to 1/3 of your annual revenue is up for grabs in just the next 6 weeks. Because Christmas isn't just a busy season. It's the season of profits. But, and it's a pretty big but, only if you've got a plan. But look, time is short and I've already got my Santa hat on. So in this quick training, I'm going to show you how exactly to make Christmas work for you, not against you, by walking you through the 3 big money levers in your beauty business at this time of year: your services, your retail, and your gift vouchers. And I want to show you exactly what to do with them, and then I'm going to show you the 4 wins that will make it all super easy. Now, by the end of this session, you're going to have absolute clarity on how to bring in a surge of cash now and fill your books for the start of next year. Now, before I go any further, there is a workbook to go along with this training. It's an entire plan that I've built for you. It's going to make this whole process a breeze. You'll find the link down below this video in the description somewhere. No sign up, no email, just straight PDF download. Now, no matter what, this workshop's going to make you more money if you follow along, but time is short, so let's dive in. So let's start with a quick reality check. Each year around this time, beauty business owners everywhere are doing the same thing. They're running around like headless turkeys, desperate to cope, double booking themselves, running out of wax, and trying to survive on a diet of mince pies and caffeine alone. Because let's face it, you're not just running your business. I'm guessing that most of the family Christmas planning falls on you too. Sound familiar? So here's the kicker. December can be your biggest cash month or your biggest burnout month. It's up to you which it is. The deciding factor, a simple, solid, stress-free plan. Because listen, the salon and the clinics who make the most money at Christmas aren't the ones who work the hardest necessarily. They're the ones who start early and work smart. So if you've ever ended the year feeling shattered, broke, or swearing you're going to do it better next year, then let's make that year this year. Let's do it better right now. Let's quickly reframe what Christmas actually is, because it's not just a busy period. It's what I call a money triangle that's waiting to be activated. Okay, so 3 sides of your money triangle. You've got services, retail, and then up at the top here, and not to be forgotten at this time of year, gift vouchers. It's kind of the same as throughout the year, but with tinsel on it and lights, loads and loads of lights. But the key is that each one feeds the other. Because if, for example, you only focus on your services, you're going to hit a ceiling. And if you only push retail, you're going to run out of clients to buy the stuff. And you're going to come off like those market sellers selling knockoff perfume from a bedsheet on the floor, ready to pick up and run at the first sign of the police. And if you forget gift vouchers, or you just hope people will buy them anyway, you're basically leaving next year's clients gift wrapped under the tree for someone else. So the goal here is to get these 3 things to work together. And that is where the Make the Most of Christmas workbook comes in and makes everything easy. It's zero fluff, because who's got time for fluff right now? So the workbook is your entire plan on paper. It's what to sell, when to sell it, and how to make sure every client knows about it and leaves spending a little bit more, all while loving you for it. Now, it's fairly self-explanatory, but I'm going to walk you through the highlights of it right here so that you can see exactly how to use it in your business. Okay, let's do this. So the workbook breaks your Christmas plan into simple chunks in the right order, starting today, to make sure that you get everything done. And if you follow these 4 wins, I guarantee you're going to have your best holiday season yet. So win number 1 is what we call the plan ahead profit. Every November and December, most beauty business owners are in reaction mode. Often you've come off a quiet October and you're in a bit of a panic. They're saying yes to everyone, yes to all the appointments, squeezing in last minute appointments, and just hoping that the till shows a happy profit at the end of the year. But not you. You're going to pre-plan your profits, okay? So you're going to choose your top 3 to 5 services that make the most money and make the most sense to promote at this time of year. We're going to promote those, not everything you offer, because focus beats frenzy. So I want you to think about What do people want for themselves at this time of year? What do they want to buy as gifts? What sold well last year? That's going to be your hit list. And then we're going to give you all the other things that you need to think about. And yes, there's space for all of this stuff in the workbook so that you can stop juggling those ideas in your head and actually put them down on paper so that you and your team, if you have one, are all on the same page. And yes, we're going to put some real numbers next to them when you go through this workbook. So the second one is what we call the promotion calendar. Here's where money meets the marketing, because you can't sell what you don't promote, and you can't promote what you haven't planned. Okay, so then we dive into the planning session. So we've got all the services that we perform. We've got the retail that we're going to be focusing on. We've even got the gift vouchers. Now, the workbook gives you this week-by-week planner from now until New Year, so 8 weeks in total. You're going to decide what happens when, your offers, your posts, your staff focus, but this will give you the paint-by-numbers framework to make it easy as Christmas pudding. This way, everyone knows what's happening every day by day, play by play, no more thinking. You just focus on the treatments, offering the retail, selling the vouchers, all of it on repeat. No more, I should really think of something Christmassy to post today, because all being well, late November and all of December, you're going to be too busy making money to think about the marketing side of things. Now, win number 3 is the marketing multiplier. Now, this one's really fun because once you've got your offers, you're going to multiply their impact by sharing them across every marketing channel that you've got, okay? Your shop window, that's your billboard. Your clients, they're your PR team. Your social media, that is your digital snapshot, okay? You can go through all the ideas in here and you can fill it all out as much as you need. Santa's elves don't get paid. They live on magic and reindeer dust. You don't, so don't be Santa's unpaid elf. Get those offers out there and let your marketing do all the heavy lifting for you. Now, the workbook literally has the suggestions for hashtags, local directories, social media updates, and all of that good stuff. This is also that when someone Googles Christmas facial near me, boom, you'll come up and you're top of mind. Win number 4, the cash flow cushion. Now, this one is my favorite. Gift cards, gift vouchers, whatever you want to call them, they're not just little bits of card. They are your secret weapon at this time of year. Gift cards give you cash now, money in the bank, and guaranteed bookings later. And if done right, they bring you in brand new clients without you needing to lift a finger. So, fun fact, 60% of gift card recipients spend more than the gift card's value when they visit, and about 30 to 40% never actually use it. Not our goal, obviously, we'd rather have the new client, but even if they don't come in, you still get paid. This all adds up to free money or future clients, all in one nice, neat package. So yes, sell gift vouchers like your business depends on it, because it kind of does. In the workbook, I've got a bunch of ideas that we've seen work before, time and time again, to help you sell more gift vouchers this festive season, possibly than you've sold throughout the whole year to date, because everything becomes easy when you know how. Like I said, Christmas profits aren't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. And I know you've heard that before, but if you can only do that for the next 6 weeks, you're going to have a very Merry Christmas instead of a totally crappy New Year. Now, having a clear plan gives you the confidence, the focus, and the freedom to put all this in place. No more panic posting, no more guessing, definitely no more January cash drought for you. And the beauty part of it, everything's in the workbook. I've made it as simple as I can. You no longer have to figure it out, you just have to fill it out. So step 1, grab your free Make the Most of Christmas workbook. The link's right below this video in the description if you're watching on YouTube. It's either in the first comment or somewhere in the description if you're watching on social. It's instant access, no waiting, no fluff, just a straight PDF download. Step 2, carve out 30 minutes today to fill it in. If you booked with clients today, then skip catching up on celebrity traitors tonight and get this done. This is your Christmas money plan. Do it once, do it right, and I guarantee you'll see the difference almost immediately. And then step 3, keep your momentum up, because look, Christmas is going to come and go no matter what you do. I'd rather you make the most of it and have a head start on next year's revenue. Now, if all this sounds cool, but what you really need is more consistent clients throughout the year, not just a December rush, and you want a process that works in every single month of the year, that's what we do better than anyone else inside of my Money Method program. So if a cash injection would be nice, but you want better, more consistent clients all year round without the guesswork and without the headache, I made you a short video on exactly how we do that. All you need to do is click the How Do I Make More Money Year Round video in the description below. It's fast, it's free, and it'll help you turn your Christmas success into year-round calm. All right, quit watching me, go download the workbook, make your plan, and let's make this your most profitable Christmas ever. Think more tinsel, less hassle.